Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my experience with the LG 27G610A UltraGear gaming monitor. I bought this monitor from Amazon using the link in the description. So if you're planning to buy it, make sure to check the same link and tagged item for the best price and available offers. After using this monitor for gaming, I can confidently say that this is one of the best budget 1440p gaming monitors you can buy. If you can get it at this price, I'd honestly say blindly go for it. The biggest highlight is the picture quality. The IPS panel delivers vibrant, punchy colors that make every game look alive. Whether you're playing story games like Red Dead Redemption 2 or competitive titles, everything looks beautiful on this display. The QHD 1440p resolution is a huge upgrade over 1080p. Games look much sharper and more detailed, making the overall experience feel far more premium. For gaming, the 200Hz refresh rate is fantastic. Using the included DisplayPort cable, you can enjoy the full 200Hz refresh rate, making gameplay incredibly smooth and responsive. Fast movements feel fluid, which is especially noticeable in FPS and racing games. One thing that genuinely surprised me is the brightness. It's extremely bright. I personally keep it around 30%, and that's already more than enough for normal indoor use. Another pleasant surprise is the black levels. Even though this is an IPS panel, the blacks are much better than I expected. Backlight bleeding is very minimal, especially compared to many other IPS gaming monitors in this price range, which really helps during darker scenes in games and movies. I also tested some games at 1080p, and honestly, they still look surprisingly good. There isn't much noticeable pixelation, so if your graphics card struggles in newer games, dropping to 1080p still provides a very enjoyable experience. The stand is another strong point. You get height adjustment, tilt, swivel, and pivot, making it easy to find the perfect viewing position. The build quality also feels sturdy and premium, giving the monitor a solid overall feel. LG even includes a DisplayPort cable in the box, so you can immediately take advantage of the full refresh rate without buying any extra accessories. The only thing missing is built-in speakers. However, it does include a 3.5mm audio jack, so connecting headphones or external speakers is quick and easy. Overall, the LG 27G610A-B has exceeded my expectations. Excellent picture quality, vibrant IPS colors, smooth 200Hz gaming, impressive brightness, minimal IPS glow, great ergonomics, and solid build quality make it an outstanding value. If you're looking for the best 1440p gaming monitor, this is an easy recommendation. I would definitely say blindly go for it. If you're thinking of buying it, check the Amazon link in the description.